So welcome back everyone, Mike here. This is our 2021 Jeep Rubicon, and today we had our first issue with it. It's starting to rain again, but we need to hop inside anyway to show you what the problem is. I'm going to start this up. It is a push button start. Like I mentioned, this is a 2021 Rubicon. We've had this for a couple months now. It has 2,411 miles on it. Now, earlier today, I took daughter Eva out to practice her driving for a driver's test. Specifically, she worked on her parallel parking. And we noticed today that when you put it in reverse, this just happened, the backup camera no longer works. Now, as far as her taking her driver's test, it's probably better not to rely on the camera anyway. But, you know, it's a new vehicle, and I'd like to figure out what the problem is and get it working again. It's actually pretty handy to help keep people from backing into things. So I even went into the apps. You know, you can go right to backup cam, got nothing there. I went to settings, camera. I tried all these. Nobody changed anything. The camera just doesn't work. So I have an idea, something I'm going to try. May or may not work, and we'll go from there. And by the way, camera's located right here on the spare wheel. We're going to pop the hood. Now what I'm thinking, possibly, if I disconnect the battery, maybe that will reset everything. I looked online. I really didn't find any answers on it there, but we'll see what happens. If I can get the hood open. Kind of hard holding the camera. I'm going to set it down here for a minute. And by the way, this Jeep has the 2-liter turbo, and it's actually a lot quicker than the 2017 we had with the V6. Battery's disconnected. Now we're going to wait a few minutes and I'll hook the battery back up again and we'll see if that did anything at all. Rain's starting to pick up now. Hop back inside, see what happens. Start it up. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna put it in reverse. Nothing. Huh. That didn't work. I'm going to try turning the screen off. Touch screen to turn on. Settings, camera. Let's go back to the apps. Backup cam. Nothing. Well, I had one idea that I thought may work, but obviously it did not. If you guys have any ideas of something that I could try, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll give the dealer a call and we'll get it taken care of. But anyway, I think that's it for today's video. Like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.